One of them nights when you glad to be bad. I be looking what we had. Now I can't show my back. Got a fear instead. Got a fear getting mad. Feel getting mad. Now I'm feeling getting mad. I was gonna get glad. Wanna ride it like a hot.
Yeah, hello guys. Quickly today, I'm gonna be sharing what my expectation. What my expectation is for the week on DXY, dollar index as usual. Some other, some currency pair like EU or G. Quickly before anything, you just have to like check your calendar for the week and know when there will be big news and when there will not be big news in the market. That's a big uh, help for you if you can just put this into your practice. And make it very important in your trading plan to always check your takes or your forest factory for the week. So quickly, let me just open my forest factory and share with you guys what news we have today for this week. So currently is on Monday here. As you can see, there is no news. So typically, what we'll be expecting today is on this why maybe ranging markets. So let me switch back to this week to remove the stress of. So here, this is the week. This is the week news we are seeing. We are looking at here on Forest Factory. So on Monday here, there's no news. So Tuesday, 7:30 a.m. we have chef news. So I don't trade all those currency pairs. So it's none of my problem. Whatever news they have, I mainly focus on USD news. So that's the driving machine for me for the currency pair I'm trading. So on Tuesday we have USD news, PMI, 3 p.m. Nigerian time. So we also have manufacturing price, ISM. But this is not a big news. As you can see, the folder here is yellow. So I focus more on the red boxes. So Wednesday we have card news. So the main focus is USD news here. Jute stock opening. I think that's an important news as well to keep eye on. And time is 3 p.m. Nigerian time. That's when the news will be dropping. On Thursday as well, we have USD news, non-farm employment change by 1:15 p.m. and by 1:30 p.m. we have unemployment claim. These are very, very big news, man. Very, very big news. Then coming down to 3 p.m. same Thursday, we'll be having PMI, ISM service PMI. Another big news. So Thursday is a heavy day. Then working us towards Friday, which is the beast non-farm payroll. Yeah, which is the non-farm payroll. So we're having on Thursday we're having card news. We have USD news, average hourly earning. We have non-farm employment change and unemployment rates. So Thursday and Friday is a very, very heavy thing. So you just want to be very, very careful for those days in order not to burn your accounts. So that being said, let's dive in to So let's dive into DXY. I mean, the dollar index to check what we have. Let me switch back to my daily time frame and show you guys what I'm looking at. I mean, in the previous video, everything has been said there. So we just want to like briefly show you guys what we are looking at currently on DXY. So if you haven't watched the previous two videos I dropped, then I will advise you to watch it and know what we discussed this before we have this price action by the day. So in our previous video, I make mention of this high right here, this high right here. Like if you get to take this high, then probably we'll be looking at this imbalance right here or this other block as targets for dollar index to reach to. So to make this more clear, let me draw this imbalance out. Let me draw this imbalance out for you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about or what I'm showing you. So we have this imbalance. We have this other block right here. Let me put this another color. Yellow will be good. I have this other block right here. So basically what we are expecting is, let me get my pen. So basically what we are expecting is we have this high taking and what we are expecting price to like drive up into this fair value gap or into this other block. So whichever way from here, this is our PDR where we'll be looking for something opportunity from. Basically what we'll be expecting inside any of this right here is a change in order flow or change in our institutional order flow for us to go short. There's some kind of confluence we look for, not only market structure only before you go short inside here. So for now, for today, for tomorrow, this is what I'm expecting. Bullish dollar is what I'm expecting. From today to Wednesday or for this week. Let me just be sincere for this week. So I can't really say if will be dollar will keep pushing high, keep pushing high, keep pushing high. I don't know. So whatever dollar did tomorrow, today, tomorrow, or next tomorrow, or probably this week, will determine what our expectation will be for next week. But currently for the week, we are bullish on dollar. So with that being said, let me switch back to my lower time frame. So here we are on H4. I'm gonna really release all this frame. Currently, we are on H4, and this is what we have on H4. We have this imbalance right here that we expect price to like tap into. We expect price to tap into this imbalance, then continue lower as we always look for our daily buyers from our intraday buyers from H4 and H1. So this is my own expectation during Friday, for last week. But instead, this is what we have. We took this high right here. We took this high right here. And we took this high right here. So this are confirmation for me that okay, probably we might get a little bit push up into this fair value gap or into this other block right here. So these are my expectation on DSY for today, for this week. So whatever, maybe during the middle of the week, whatever price did might determine my change of analysis. But for now, this is all I'm looking at on dollar index. So that being said, let me switch back. Let me switch back to EU and get what EU is showing us. So we are on daily on EU. As you can see right here, the body is a little bit. So we are on daily on EU, Euro USD. So this is what we have on daily right here as price action. I'm mainly looking at this. I'm mainly looking at this. Then you can tell that we are bearish, like the short-term bearish on DXY as well. So what are we looking at here? We have this price action right here. This nice move upward on daily. I took this high, followed by an impulse move that took this low right here. So we have this down close candle that needs to, that is expected to act as resistance in pushing price downward. This down close spiral candle here is a breaker for me. So I'll be monitoring this as a breaker going down to my lower time frame. So we have this. So this here is our H4. Whatever price D, we have an up close candle here where price may react from and continue lower. And we have our daily breaker here where price may draw into then before continuing lower. So what will be our targets? We have this low right here, relatively equal low right here as targets. And we also have this low right here and this low right here as our targets for the week. So this is all I'm looking at uh, on EU. So we may, during the middle of the week or during the news, we may have another another move in price that may cause a change of analysis or a change of bias. So once that happens, probably I'm gonna be dropping a video to let you guys know. So currently, this is all I'm looking at on EU. So I'm bearish on EU. I'm bullish on dollar for now. So looking at GU, so here is GU daily. It is really crazy. We it's this pair has been spiking up. So the same stuff always on EU and the same analysis on GU. So you look closely, you will see your breaker. You have a breaker right here. This candle took this breaker right here, and the next day we have a little push up, then it will drop down and close lower. The following by another day, and this, if you can look at this very closely, you see that this breaker acts was negated right here, then help in pushing price down. So probably today you'll be looking for lower prices. We have this candle body close here, and we have this candle body open here. So in between this place, these two candles, we have a gap. So that may be more money. That may be what you'll be monitoring for the reaction or for your thing of order flow on lower time frame to bearish. You monitor this gap right here, or probably you get a tap into this breaker right here once more. Let me remove my drawing. So we have this gap right here that you may monitor for price to like react from and continue lower. And we also have this um breaker that price may draw to before continuing lower, whatever price did. But on your targets here on GU won't be next swing low. No. So your target here on GU, or advise you anchor your Fibonacci from this point right here to this high and get your 50% Fibonacci level. So that may be your target, or probably you may switch back to H4 to get a very clean draw on liquidity that you'll be focused on. We have this low, we have this low, and we have this low as drawn liquidity that you may target for the week. So when you look at H4 very clean, we have this up close candle here that should be negated, and help in pushing price downward. So and we also have this fair value gap which price is currently into. But today is a very low volatility day in the market for the XY. So probably we may not get the move we expected, or probably we may get a very short move, and that's it. Because today might be a ranging day for dollar index. So this is all I'm looking at on uh, EU and GU with our DXY, which is the driving machine. So thank you. Whenever there is a change in order flow for us to change our bias, definitely I'm gonna be updating you guys. So thank you for watching.